Mountain Creek Wednesday. Try to hit every trail today. 10 a.m. we're starting at Vernon. Okay, straight off the lift, take a left and we'll take you to Great Northern. Supposedly there's a couple trails that come over here, and there's some glades that definitely don't exist right now. Those glades are not open. Let me just tighten up a little bit. I don't know if there's any side trails, is what I'm wondering. Good. This is the first one of the day. Okay, I guess there is a trail. I never took this look. This looks like it goes back uphill. So you can get a little bit of speed. Go back up a little bit. Not too bad. See? Okay, that's where the trail is. Alright, spin already. Alright, a little side hit over here. Hit it with it. Run into somebody. Back to the main run. I might as well hit the beginner's area. This is the beginner's area. I'll just do this right now. Typically you take this lift up, just like the bunny hill. I didn't know they have features over here. Okay, that's new to me. Little baby features. A little baby rail, that's cool. I did not know they had it. Come to this one. Okay, little features over here, no features over there. Very cool. I don't know if this little baby jump. What is this? Jump. Box the rail for now. That's pretty cool. I gotta give it a look. I never been over here. Haven't seen any of that. So this is basically the bunny hill lift, sugar lift. So this side's just a straight bunny hill, and that side's a little baby train park. But I'm not gonna do that one again. We gotta head all the way back over to the main gondola. See, there is two trails, and this says terrain park, independent peak. I never read this either. I don't know what's up here, nothing. Back on lower horizon, the main trail down. I'm not sure what this is. Let's take this. Pretty thin patch over here. trail one more time. This one first, that one second, and this one. Lead you down to the triple, but right now it's closed because it's a weekday. Then I'll open the triple when it's empty in here. We're on Vernon, we're at Straightaway, the Black Diamond. It's probably the most difficult trail on Vernon. The Straightaway kind of cuts across the upper horizon. I like to think of it as a shortcut. It leads to lower Straightaway and lower horizon. This is where Vernon Triple would take it. The top of Vernon. We're gonna go to Twisted Terrain Park. Twist Terrain Park to 0G Black Diamond. Again, Twist is like a shortcut across upper horizon to lower horizon, which is upper horizon. 0G looks like. There's no features here. Little side hit. Do a 180. I would like to do a front side instead of back side. Another side hit. No features besides the side. It should be 0G. Ungroomed terrain. To be fair. Ungroomed. Crusty early what do you expect? Good thing. heading to the main trail, upper horizon to lower horizon. Some people set up over here and ride down, but it's too warm and mushy. I know I'm gonna get stuck. I'm not gonna make it, so I'm just gonna walk over. You can also take the Vernon Triple and it'll take you over to the main horizon. Okay, upper main horizon, or upper horizon. This is pretty much the main trail, the main green trail, beginner trail. Actually, I realized it's only this part's the upper. This is the road right over here. That takes you over to Granite. There's another green trail that takes you to Vernon, but it also takes you to Granite Peak. You see from straightaway. That's lower straightaway. I think there might be. That's fun. Take this trail because we were one more time to do
like the blues, they're a bit of a mess. Here's the secret to skiing.
You're not even here. He's got a motorcycle vest on.
I got a vest on.
upper horizon. We're gonna cut over to the Flint where it goes to Granite, but we're gonna stick on the right and come back to Vernon. So this is the last trail on Vernon. I kind of want to try what that guy just did. So. It's very slow right now, warm, slow. Mushy. Basically just a way to Granite. I believe this is Red Tail, cut from Granite to south. Granite to Vernon. There's some bike trails, that's pretty cool. Mountain bike jumps. That's sick. And there's also cuts from Granite. I'm probably going to skip these trails because they're flat, boring. Okay, basically that way goes to Granite and this goes back to Vernon. This is the last trail on Vernon. That's steeper than I thought. Safer than I thought. o'clock and we're gonna drive over to south. I don't feel like making this walk again. Just to walk to the parking lot's way too far. 47 degrees this morning when I got out, and it's like 10-15 degrees warmer than that. It's gotta be 60, it has to be. I'll catch you on the other side. Let me drive over there. Mountain Creek South. We're on Cannon. Easily my favorite trail out of all the trails. Cannon, you know, legendary. See if we can hit this box. I want to hit this tube, never hit it. Let's hit the shit. Sideways. It's all good. Still looks farther than it was last week. Oh my god, I'm sinking. That was terrible. That was terrible. Oh my god. I sunk right before I went up. Okay. Just a warm up. Sinking right through the snow. Trying to avoid a wind resistance. Bakersfield. Oh my goodness, my boy. The barrel. Sticky! Sticky! Bend that front knee. Bend the front knee. Yo, that side, that's what kind of saved me from falling. Like side, hitting. I don't know how, but that saved me. I'll cut to the left. Tailspin. I do want to hit the tailspin. That looks not too terrible. That might be doable. Obviously, Buddy's Way is closed right now. they're doing work, which is hilarious because it was open yesterday. At least it said 46 of 46 trails open yesterday. I knew I heard Snowcat. You can see the Snowcat working on Buddy's Way right now. Every time I try to ride all the trails at a resort, they're always resetting up our terrain park. This is Jumpin Jack, Mountain Creek South. Like the path only. Hey, this jump, nobody's doing. I'm never doing this. Look at this. Now my height is 6 feet and like 12, 15 feet. It's crazy. I'll leave. Let's go fish. This is closed over here. Yeah, it is closed. See, that's closed down from over there too. So this is the alternative trail. Stay on both feet. I really don't like this, but I'll do it. I got no balance. On my stats, my balance is 1 out of 10. Oh, that's cool. I don't know where it goes. What? That was not expected. That flat on top. I think that's 360. It kind of is. Feels like that. Right here, this trail basically splits into two and comes back. This being the harder part, and that's a little bit easier because this has a steep roller. Now, typically you don't want to go down this because it's super icy. I mean, look how thin it is and melted. Well, I'll go down it for you, but see, this has a top roller and that just cuts in from the side. This is terrible. I already don't like this. There's no reason for me to be on here, to be honest. Like all of this, you're gonna have to maintain your speed through all of this. Oh, this is terrible. No, that's terrible. slowing me down. The key to this one is to go fast because you don't want to go slow through this. Avoid the wet spots. I'm not gonna have enough speed. Okay, I'm stuck. Who wants to have a picnic? Let's go back this way. Oh, hey, a little jumping. Oh, look at this, what is this? Pond skim. This is terrible. I thought we were gonna have another 2 to 3 weeks. Not if it looks like that though. Going on. I mean, it's pretty much the same trail, it's just kind of does that. I want to race some. I just want to see if they're going to go down. AI Halley. The Halley. Artificial intelligence. Over the hill. It's so icy over here and it's not even crazy. Like 50 degrees. It's not really icy, it's hard patch. Oh, this is icy. Well, that's fair. Oh no. See, this is the lift that takes you back to Granite. We're gonna have to take this lift back to Granite and then ride back to get back to South. That's one of the flattest spots, the flattest trails, the slowest trails, is the transfer from Granite to South. And we're gonna do it on a sunny, melty day. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. That chairlift is one of the slowest chairlifts also. It takes forever to get there. Okay, we are on the slowest chairlift. This chairlift sucks. It's gonna take forever. And coming back sucks. You see people struggling already. All right, we're on Granite Peak. See how wet it is? Oh my God, oh my God. To the next one. Make it that way, it's gonna be so slow. Yes, it is. I don't even want to do that, to be honest. You won't make it. But we're Grand Prix in it, baby. Switcher for kids. Hey, go for the kids. East Coast Prix. Let the ski guy go. I like that. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! That's crazy. That's a lot more extreme than I thought it would be. Okay, maybe if you're looking for a thrill, granite might be your thing, because that was fun actually. A little too much for me. I just straight bombed it towards the end because, you know, I didn't straight bomb the whole thing. So this is where, if you've seen the video, have you guys seen the video of the beer toss? Oh, at beer toss, what? I didn't know they were advertising it. I thought there was a trail over here, but maybe there's not. That's transferring back. I'm not even gonna make it up that. So this last one we're gonna do. Those are small transfers. I think it's a small transfer up. That one's uphill. That one can take you to the lower horizon. So this one's taking you back to where it's either south or granite. If I go back to Vernon, it'll take me forever to get back. Choppy. Going to granite. Granite bellows. Because it's in the sun. Oh, that's what I flew down before. Oh my gosh, wow. So choppy. Alright, so trail to south, transfer to south. Key is just keep the speed through this whole thing. Don't stop. Just keep going, baby, keep going. I'm gonna get left. Oh boy. I'm gonna hit this to get a pump. Whoa. a little more quick and steep than I thought it would be. Very slowing down. This is bad. This is bad. Why? We're still going. We're not even, this is not even supposed to be the flat spot. The flat spot's still coming. So let's try to get in the shade. Oh man. Avoid this at all costs. If anything, drive to south. Don't take this. This is terrible. This over here is nice. Oh. This is so sticky. I should have did a fresh wax job yesterday, I didn't. Come on. I just want some speed, a little bit of speed. You'd think I'd get some speed here, but it's sticky as hell. Oh, it's so sticky. So sticky. Let's try to hit this untouched part. I think we still got more to go. Damn. This ain't even a flat spot. We're still moving. I was right about to on the strap right there. I think this is the flat spot. Tiny another hill, but I don't think we're gonna make it. Oh yeah, we'll make it. Let's go. Comes out of my hand. Nothing you can do about it. It's just so sticky. I don't remember this being this long. Maybe it's because I'm going 1 mile per hour. That's the hard part. Come on, baby. Make a plan, please make a plan. The sign says make a plan. The plan is take your foot out and freaking push. And you might as well just keep pushing, because when you get to this lift, there's still more to go if you're gonna stay on south, which you are. Or else you wouldn't be taking this. So there's more flat spot after this. But now you gotta ride down with no stomp pad down another hill. I'm only going 1 mile per hour, so it don't matter. Whew. Oh, hurt myself. Back to south at last. I think that's everything today. I might try to hit south again because, you know, we'll see how this jump goes. Look at that. Alright, I might as well start back in. Yes! Yes! I flew! Yes! Yes! That was so good! That was so good! Down, but oh my Jesus, I did it! I landed it. The last trick of the day. I don't know what's going on. Should I do another run? Well, that was a fun day at Creek. We had pretty much every trail open today. I learned a nose grab today. Overall, pretty good day, and I had 19 runs today, 19 total runs. Thanks to everyone who's liked, commented, and subscribed. You helped us get to 1,000 subscribers, and I appreciate everyone who follows us so far, and the page got a lot bigger than I ever expected it to, so shout out to you guys. You guys are the best. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.